the shadow to my light. Did you feel?
What's good, YouTube? And today I'm going to be showing you how to get free ringtones on the iPhone 6, and this works on any iPhone and without jailbreak, and with it's legal, obviously. So here we go. Alright, so first what you want to do is have two apps on your iPhone. I deleted one of them, so I'm going to throw down. So the first one is going to have to be Focus. Hold on. Something on my lens. I do not like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh, hold on. There we go. Now, well, yeah, the app is called GarageBand. Looks like a guitar. It's free on Apple devices if you purchased it. If you purchased your Apple device September 1st and after. If you purchased it before then, this will not. You have to pay like $5 for it. So next, what you want to do, once you have downloaded that, you want to download Turbo File. I think it is. Turbo, it's a file manager. Yeah, it's right here. I had it. Now, let's do that. I have to reinstall it, but that is another free app, so it's free. Put that in my music folder. I'm trying to think of a ringtone I can download. Alright, so it looks like this, and it is ad supported because it is a free app. I do not want notifications. I do not want anything. You want to go to your browser. Now there's two ways you can do this. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you both ways. So you want to go to YouTube. Start doing this one-handed. So I'm gonna do YouTube.com only because I have the app downloaded, and if I just put YouTube when I click on it, it'll take me to the app, and it will not work because you do have to have this search bar up here. So you want to find your ringtone. So I'm just gonna search ringtone. I just want. How to do this panda. No, I do not want copyright. Okay, so you want to take this and you want to click the search bar and you want to hold it down. No ads. And you want to select all and copy. And this is so much more different than the other one I had. Then you want to go to YouTube. Oh, I do not like doing this. This is no. Oh no, it's always blurry. You want to go to YouTube MP3. YouTube MP3. And it'll be the second one down. And it should look like this. You want to press this. Hold it down. Hold. Are you going to let me do my thing? No. Why? Okay, yeah. Paste. You want to paste that URL you copy from the other one. Then you want to hit download. No. Don't play the song. Stop. Shut. There. And then on here it'll give you a download thing, and you want to click the lightning bolt. Blah blah blah. Download. Go to here. Downloads. And no. Hold it down, I think. This is so hard to do. Okay, it's here. And then I want to upload, no, not upload, add to playlist. Random, just make a new playlist. And then you want to go to your files. Wait, what? Playlist, I think. Oh, I've not done this in so long. It's one of these. Share. You gotta go to share and you gotta email it to yourself. So obviously I'm not going to show you. Actually, nah. Copy. Yeah. I'm just gonna. And then you want a subject. You can do whatever, but I like to put. I'm not gonna share this. RT. And then just send. Do not press anything else after that. Then you want to go to your emails, which I'm doing now. I was gonna. Whatever. This is my backup account, anyways. Then you want to look. It'll be right here. I already did one. And do not play. Do not play. No. Stop. This, I don't like this iPhone. It's so slow. Upload to iCloud Drive. Now on the new update, most people tell you gotta have it, whatever. And make sure you click iCloud Drive. Okay, yeah. And then go to but as I was saying, you gotta go to GarageBand. And the new iPhone update, most people tell you you gotta have the iCloud app thing installed. You don't have to do it on this because, I mean, it's the cloud. It's already there. And then you want to create a new song. Make sure it's on audio recorder. Click it, and you're almost done. Then you want to click this thing. It'll switch to this. Then you want to click the loop. Import iCloud Drive. Should be this one. Give it a second. There we go. You want to hold it and drag it. Now, hold on. Okay, there you go. Just want to make sure it's the right one. And then you want to go and just click my songs. It'll save. Hold it down. Click that and then ringtone. And I'm just gonna name it Panda Remix. More storage required, but yeah, once you do that, it'll. Wait, what? Yeah, once you do that, it'll just put it on your ringtones. You can use it for anything. But yeah, that's how you get free ringtones. Now let's continue with the vlog. Wrong way. No, right way. No. Dang it, camera lens. Why do you get stuck in my... There we go. My camera doesn't listen. This lens is dirty. I'm gonna clean this and... But yeah, that is how you get free ringtones. Yeah. Now time to do the killer workout. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you this again because I got the app chair. I don't like this camera. Yeah, it's the ringtone. I downloaded a lot. Got the I Spy. This phone keeps on. I mean, not. This camera keeps on turning off. I'm not sure why. You can't copyright me for that. Be quiet, phone. You can't copyright me for that. You know, because it's a marimba remix. You can't copyright me for remix that not even they own. Is that a word? I'm so bored. what to vlog about. How? See, I don't want to go outside. No, it's too hot. It's like 90. It's 90 degrees. Wait, let me see. Yeah, 90 degrees out. No. Maybe another day, but not today. Closet, what do you bring me? What do you bring me? I don't want to break anything. I want to smash something. Well, if I'm gonna smash something, I'm gonna need this, double bats. Nah, what am I? Ooh. Oh, no, I don't need two people. If my cousin was here, I'd play indoor. Oh, ow, son of a gun. Freak that bat. Thing landed on my foot. Dude, with this camera, stay still. I hate vlogging like this. I don't want to break the lens off. What should I? Yeah, like that. That's better. Plane tickets? No, I do not need plane tickets. I went to California a month ago. What the? What was that? Drew squad. That's what I'm calling for today. What was that? Dude, I'm about to cry right now. Dude, my house is freaking haunted. I heard like something. Whoa. Oh, it's open. Nah. Dude, I'm freaking scared for my life. That's open. What do I look like? Make sure. Yeah. Oh, Lord. D. Why is that open? Give me some wisdom, you bird. Come on. My sister's little, whatever you are, gotta tell me something. Do something cool. Oh, hold on. You're not on. Make my vlog interesting. Yeah, I can dance to that. Do it again. Okay, you're annoying. This hurts my arm. Oh, dang, that hurt. Should I go check it out? What do you guys think? I'll go check it out if you leave a like on this video right now. Yeah, I'm not going to like the video. I'm not that dumb. Come on. I'm gonna wait until you do it because I know you're not doing it right now. I'm still waiting. Okay, I'll go do it. Let's check here. Wait. Oh, I know what will make this more funny. I'm gonna turn this into some dumb joke. That way it doesn't scare me if something isn't here. I don't know. Well, why would I need a sniper when I got a magic wand? I'm gonna turn whoever it is into a frog. There we go. Flip the camera. I'm gonna turn him into a frog with the wand. See, this is exactly what my vlog. What the? Shut up. I'm gonna beat you in the head with a wooden stick. Let's check the pantry. Cokes, Dr. Peppers. No. I do not like this. Delicious. You guys can see it first. You guys, if you see. Nothing. There's no way I'm opening that garage. As they do in the movies, you get locked out outside, and I'm not beating the door handle off the door like I did last time. Because that actually happened to me. I got to beat off the door handle. It's a big dent in the door handle. No. Thanks to me. So, yeah. I do not know. I got to use the bathroom, but My vlog is more important than my bathroom. I don't need you anymore. Let's clean this camera. Let's try this again. Very foggy you are. Let's clean you off. Yeah, shiny me. Alright. I'll be back once I get done with the bathroom. I don't even know how to end this. Alright guys, I'm back. So off camera, I heard a big thump right over here. And I see this on the ground. This thing. Now, if you know me, I do not like this. I do not like this. Forget that. I do not accept toys of little girls. Let's do some cool stuff. Do I dare to leave this door open right now? Do I dare to leave that door open? Oh, I saw something. Start from my whoa. Notifications. But I did not ask for a ringtone yet. So, I do not sponsor this app or whatever. I don't know what it is, but this download Quid. I thought this game was crap because you collect little stickers. Thought it was lame, but boy did I underestimate. Squeaky voice. But boy did I underestimate it. I got a crackhead. Sorry, had to say that because it's freaky. Yeah, download Quid and add me at Jerus. Look, I already have 3 friends. Who adds me? No. Okay, but yeah, do not care. Oh, did I just cracked my screen though. Okay, let's play some Minecraft. Okay, I'm gonna go play some Minecraft. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna play some Minecraft. If anything happens or I see something cool that I wanna vlog, I'll put it in the vlog. Peace out. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And comment down below what we should be called, because I have no idea. None at all. Alright, so peace.